Mikey from TTV Gel Blasters Pippin. I'm here with the Junior League team and Zach. How's it going? Today we're going to be doing a review. It's Glock versus 1911. So we've got the 1911 over this side. So those guys are Team B. We've got the Glock over the other side. So they're Team A. We're going to be doing a speed QD test down here in AZRAELS Armoury. But this review is brought to you by Global Tactical Solutions. Cheers, Global Tactical Solutions, supplying these awesome GBBs so we can have a bit of fun. Okay guys, let's jump in, let's have fun.
Start here, we shoot those there, I guess we shoot those ones, then those ones, then we come around here, then we shoot those ones there, shoot that one, then we shoot the ones over there, come around the corner this way, shoot these two right here.
Done, and that's the course.
Yes.
Lock and load, they're good to go. So here we have the leaderboard, and we've got the names Thomas, Spook, Zach and Jay. We're going to be doing 3 rounds, 1, 2, 3. It's time trials, in which we'll get the total time to the end. We find out who's the winner, chicken dinner, and Tommy's up first.
Yes.
What do you got there, Tom?
Got the Glock.
Glock, that looks pretty good. That's going to be the first one up for grabs.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Oh!
That's pretty good, Tom.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
At the start, it misfed.
Yeah. And that's the fun you're going to be having. And there we go. Let's have a look at the score. So what time did he get?
10:50.
10:50. So right, 10:50 up on the board there. One is done. Let's just have a look at the scoreboard before we kick it in. So currently the current times are up on the board. We're now up to round 2. Swinging around. Zach's on timer. Other boys are getting ready, good to go. We've got Tommy up on the field. Okay, when you're ready, Zach.
Match begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Gas.
Well, get 2 more jumps. Yep.
Tommy just finished. Now it's time for space. Listen to Zachy, I'll tell you when.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Finish. Yeah, mate, that was better. Hey, that was better. And Jay's up for a second round.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Stop.
Zach's second round. Here we go.
Match beginning in 3, 2, 1, go! down, push down.
A little bit of a hiccup.
13 seconds.
It's alright.
13, 20.
Just for the fun of it. 13-20. Zach goes on to the actual board. You got the other pen there, Zach?
Yeah.
13-20. Good stuff. Round 2 done. How'd you think you went, Speak? Was that pretty good?
Yep.
Yeah, Zach, you going okay? Handling the
hiccups,
pressure? Handling the pressure? Tom?
Yeah.
Hey? Went a bit crazy that first
What
time?
would have been good if there's a canister in here?
Yeah. What do you reckon, Jack?
Yeah, it was good.
You come back here again?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
Yes, very nice, yes.
Highly recommend. Yeah.
That's what we're up to at the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Video brought to you by the awesome guys at Global Tactical Solutions. Thank you very much for sponsoring the blasters to us, the blowback pistols. And we're here at AZRAELS Armoury inside their pistol field, their speed pistol field, which is pretty cool. Here with a couple of juniors and Zach. Yeah. Lucky last one, Tom. Make it count, make it work, you can do it.
Match begins in 3, 2, 1, begin.
Finish.
1088.
1088.
Lost gel as well.
Lost gel in the pistol. That was good, Tom. That was good. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that goes up on the board. Zach's just writing it up there. 1088 for Tom. Hey, hey.
Let's go for Noel.
Switch. Time for speakers. Third round. Let's go.
2, 1, go.
Finish.
85.
Nice. That was clean. Well done.
8 penalty.
Okay, Zach, last round. Tommy's on the timer. Let's get started.
Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Done.
698.
Woo! That was clean. Nice one. Nice one.
Head go. The big pen over there.
Tommy's writing it up on the board. Jeez. And then we got Jay. Jay's about to kick it in for his last one.
Starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Done.
625.
Woo! That was sharp. That was sharp. 625 up on the board. Zach's going to work out the totals to it all, and then we'll find out who's the winner chicken dinner. And we got the total. Okay, so we got Tommy on the top with a total amount of 32.83. We got Spooky. He got a total of 36.4. We got Zacky Wacky with a total of 32.69. And then we've got Jay with a total of 22.29. So literally you've got first, second, third and fourth place. So going by the results that we just got then, Glock versus 1911. The winner is 1911 by a bucket load. You reckon James excited or what?
My mindset.
So there you have it, guys. Glock versus 1911 here at AZRAELS Armoury. Awesomely brought to you by our sponsors out at Global Tactical Solutions. If you want to get your hands on one of these little blasters, awesome places to actually come play. But come and check out the field at the same time. The field here is absolutely phenomenal if you want to actually try out your pistols. Absolutely good. How was that, boys?
Yes.
Was that good? Yeah. Cheers, guys. Make sure you hit that like, the subscribe button, that notification bell, and we'll definitely see you next time for an awesome another video content from TTB Gel Blasters. Pimp 'em up. Woohoo! Oi!